Hey guys, welcome to the Jet Janex channel. Today we are going to discuss something very important and very interesting. Okay, and what is that important thing is 3D formula or 3D function. We can use it and just see the data I have in Excel file. You see I have transaction and sale number 1, 2, 3, and it's relating to the first week. Okay, and this is the week 2 data sale and the corresponding dollar amount, and here I have the week 3 the transaction and the sale amount. Okay guys, I want to have a total amount or the total number of week 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so what I am supposed to do is I will just come here, sorry, this one, the week number 1. Okay, the week number 1, I will come here and will press equal sign and then sum, double click it and then select the amount, but I will not select the only this amount. Okay, I will select it from here to here. Why? Because in different cells in these sheets, in these Excel sheets, I might have some data here and I might have some data here. That's why I have to select a broader area which can cover the entire sale figures. Okay, now as we have selected the area here in the first sheet, just press shift, okay, and go to the final Excel sheet. You are having the sale data, press enter and select the entire data including your sale data. Okay, and now press enter. So here in the week number 1 we got the same number. This is the sum of the week's sales in week number 3, 2, first and 1. In 4 sheets we are having the sale amount in different weeks, but totally that is equivalent to 4,834. Okay, now another thing here is that I have sum up the sale data from here, I mean the week 1 to the week 3. Okay, and now I am interested to exclude the first week data from this. So what I'm supposed to do, I will just take it and bring it somewhere here. Okay, because my formula include the data from here to here, and you see I have excluded this. So let's go to the first week and you see the amount has been reduced to 3,256. Likewise, you might have something here and you want to include it in this total amount. You can just click it and bring it in between the week number 1 and week number 3, and it will be added in your total amount. You see now again it becomes the 4,834. And for example, if you want to exclude the week number 2, just bring it here, check the results, you see, and again take it from here, put it somewhere here, check the amount is okay. I hope you like it, and I hope you learn it. It will ease your life and your work as well. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.